The fuck was that?
Is that your phone? Oh my god.
Was it my phone?
Yes. What? Are you okay?
Okay guys, so let's wax my fiancé's brows. Up first, I am cleaning the area, making sure there's no sweat, debris, or whatever. And then after that, I will be getting just my little spoolie, making sure that they're all brushed down since I will be doing the top first. This is right here is when he like dropped his phone. But this wax that I'm using today is the Sexy Smooth Wax in Satin Secret. This is a beautiful sparkly silver gel wax, hard wax I should say, that can be used on all areas including sensitive areas. I really enjoyed using this wax. It did a very beautiful job at picking up all of the hairs. Even just like in that first pull, you'll see here in a minute, I'm going to show you one of the wax strips and you'll get to see all the hairs that it pulled off. But just look at how smooth that blends out, and a little bit goes a long way. I barely got any wax on that stick and I was able to kind of spread it around a good amount. And also it just looks super beautiful with those sparkly silver. Okay, this is where you can see those hairs that I pulled off. Like, look at all of those hairs. I love that. And you can see the follicles. That's what you want in a wax. You want to make sure that it's pulling from the follicle.
What do you mean? How does the wax feel?
How does it feel?
I don't know. Fucking wax. What do you mean?
Like,
It feels
painful? Does it
warm?
not feel that bad?
I mean, it doesn't feel like painful, but usually when you wax your eyebrows, it doesn't really feel painful.
So that was me trying to get his opinion and him having no idea what I meant. But he did end up saying later that it actually didn't feel that bad. And then look at those follicles. I'm telling you guys. He was saying how he shaved a few days ago, but there was still all that hair there. So this is why you wax. Now we're going underneath the eye, which can be one of the more sensitive parts of an eyebrow wax. So he said that he was surprised that this didn't hurt as bad as it normally does. More sensitive than the upper part, but not as bad as some other waxes. So I'm just doing a couple of cleanup strips. Literally just had to do 2 on each side in the upper part. So that is amazing. We got all the hairs first try. And then I'm doing one more in the middle going down because we still had some hairs that were facing down right there. So I just want to make sure I got everything and I didn't want to have to tweeze too much. But the skin is looking good, not too red. I am really loving this wax. I will definitely be incorporating this more. I may even try mixing it with the other wax I use by them, which is Cherry Desire. It is a red wax. Similar formulas, just different color bases. But I might even try mixing them together and play around with that. Anyways, so thank you so much, Sexy Smooth Wax, for letting me try one of your new waxes, Satin Secret. I loved it and my fiance approved. So let's just finish off the brow wax with some high frequency and a nice cool roller. and you're done. Thanks, y'all.